Polyethylene is used in hip joints as shown in the diagram. You have a metal stem and a metal head, and then there's a couple plastic parts. Those are ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene that make the cup liner and the cup that encapsulates the metal or ceramic head. When artificial hip surgery happens, the surgeon removes the top of the femur, inserts this artificial hip joint into the femur, and then attaches the ball, the polyethylene end, to the hip socket. Welcome back to another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Today we're going to highlight a workhorse in the plastics industry, ethylene plastics. So when your boss talks about the highest volume plastic polyethylene, what do you need to know? Most of us know that polyethylene is a crystalline commodity plastic. Polyethylene grades can be distinguished by density and branching as shown on your screen. With high density polyethylene, we see lowered levels of branching. That promotes crystallization. The high density polyethylene chains can get close in proximity, they can fold back on each other and create crystals. That creates higher densities, and we see the higher density range on your screen. Low density polyethylene has higher levels of branching, and that interferes with crystallization. The chains can't get close together, they can't fold on each other, they can't pack with each other, so we get the lower density levels as shown on the screen. With changes to density, we see changes in physical properties. High density polyethylene has higher hardness, higher modulus, higher strength, and lower elongation. Low density polyethylene with the lower crystal levels, that creates lower hardness, lower modulus, lower strength, and higher elongation. High density polyethylene dominates the bottle market, especially with the EBM or extrusion blow molding process, which makes plastic milk jugs. All three types of polyethylene grades are used for films and bags using the blown film process. We will talk about these two processes in upcoming That's Working Knowledge videos. Knowing that polyethylene can be distinguished by density and products such as bottles and bags, that's working knowledge. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and even share if you appreciate the content. I'm Paul Nash for Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Thanks for watching.